Hello and welcome to Universal Tools. My name is Terry. Today we're going to look at episode number 15 of our tool series videos on one of our U-Butte battery crimpers. Let's have a good close look at this thing before we dig into its features, and then we'll do some trial crimping. Now that we've had that close-up look at the battery crimper, let's have a look at some of the features that it's capable of. As you can see, it's Slimline, weighs only 2.5 kg. It creates 6 tonne of crimping force. It's powered by two 18 volt 2 ampere batteries, rather than Makita equivalent. It's got a crimping range of 16 mil right up to 185. You'll notice with the dies that they're double ended. So on this case, you've got 35 mil conductor crimp die here and a 50 mil conductor crimp die there. The only die that doesn't have a double end is the largest one, which is the 185 mil squared. It's got a crimping cycle of 3 to 6 seconds, depending on the size of the conductor. It's got an internal pressure relief valve, so releases the moment the correct pressures come about, and it comes in a sturdy carry case. So what I'm going to do now is we've got two types of cable that we're going to crimp, the smallest and the largest. One is 16 mil squared and the other one is the biggest one, 185 mil squared. So in this demonstration you'll be able to see how to insert the dies and crimp the cable. Okay, let's start with the 16 mil crimp die. What you do is pull the latch back. On the crimp face you'll have the conductor size. You insert one in the base and the other in the top yoke, making sure that both conductor is matching. So that's 16 on the bottom, 16 on the top, ready to go. Grab yourself a battery, insert it, and we're ready to go. Poke it through. Release. And that's completed. So now we're going to put in the 185s. Once again, one down the bottom and one up the top. Now before we close the top latch, we're going to insert the cable like so, and that's got it there, and we're ready to go. Release, move on to the next one, release again, and the final release. And there you go, that's the 185 mil crimped. So that's the demonstration done. As you can see, it would be ideal for switchboard builders, getting right into side switchboards, lugging off in tight spaces. It's light, so it's not heavy in your hand, and it's slimline. So if you think this is a battery crimper for you, you can visit our website on www.uttco.com.au, go to Tools, into the crimpers, and down into the battery crimpers, and you'll see them there. or email our friendly sales team on sales@uttco.com.au and they'll be able to help you out with your requirements. Thanks for watching.